Hi, the next part of this Make My Smile is the award and certificate. So go ahead and Publisher and choose New, Built-in, and then choose Certificate. It's under Award and Certificate. And the one they want you to choose is called Star. And then make sure that you have the color scheme, paper, virtual. Again, you could choose anything you wanted. Make sure the business information is Make My Smile, and then choose Create. And then as you can see, it's got information already with the Make My Smile. We're going to make a couple of changes here. So for Certificate of Appreciation instead, we'll type with something else. So a couple of things they want you to add. You're on the way to a great smile. It was 3 lines, so I just made it wider so it would fit across. Best fit my Make My Smile Dentistry. I also made the logo a little bit larger. For name of recipient, type your name. And if you wanted to do anything else, you could to the document. You could put a background color or shading or whatever you'd like to do on this in the page design. Change the colors if you'd like. I'm going to show you a sample of one that I did before where I added more clip art pictures and so forth. But anything you'd like would be fine. And that's a save as certificate and submit. Thanks.